Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this FIBBR 8K Optic HDMI cable. It is 33 feet long. It's made by FIBBR 48Gbps high-speed HDMI 2.1 cable. That means it is possible to operate data with 8K resolution at 60 Hz. 4K 120 Hz is of course possible too. Dynamic HDR, eARC, HDCP 2.3. It's an Ultra HD directional HDMI cord and is compatible with all devices out there. LG, Samsung, Sony television, PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X, Blu-ray players, and so on. We followed the HDMI version 2.1 specification with the 48 Gbps mass capacity bandwidth. It's a fiber optical cable, guarantees signal lossless over longer length, and optical fiber naturally anti-electromagnetic interferences. And stable and high-speed transmission offers us a smoother and more joyful gameplay experience. 8K HDMI cable supports resolutions and refresh rates up to 8K 60 Hz and 4K 120 Hz. Of course, 144 Hz is possible too. With 8K, HDMI's dynamic HDR and 12-bit color processing technology ensures an Ultra HD cinematic experience and a 3D visual effects. It also is backward compatible with HDMI 2.0 BA, 1.4, 1.3, 1.2, and 1.1 versions. This active optical cable is an AOC using industry-leading integrated injection molding and sealing technology to prevent the optical electronic engine from aging and damage. Guarantee a long lifespan. The plug part is made of 24K gold-plated material, which accurately transmits signals. Extremely flexible and slim cable, offering a better fit for places where space is a concern. Supports the latest high bitrate audio formats, including DTS Masters, DTS:X, Atoms, and Enhanced Audio Return Channel. This is the eARC. This is ideal for a home theater, HD meeting, and so on. This cable is directional since they are a fiber optic HDMI cable, and the ends are made 1 and 2. So we know number 1 for the source, a laptop, a personal computer, PlayStation 5, Xbox or Blu-ray players, and so on. Number 2 is for the display, such as monitors, television projectors as well. So please make sure we correctly plug each, and then we get a signal through the cable. If not, then we will get no image from this device, so take care of it. FIBBR means F for fast, I for innovation, B for the best, B for the brilliance, and R for robust. FIBBR is the global high-end audio and video signal connection brand and offers a wide range of data transmission products for many different interfaces, such as HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB. In a continuous exploration, FIBBR hopes to seamlessly connect its brand as users and meet the ever-changing needs of us, and use this as a cornerstone for further FIBBR ongoing efforts. Here it comes, HDMI. Both HDMI interfaces use 24K gold plates interface and gold-plated conductors, which greatly improve the efficiency of the signal transmission. The fiber optic HDMI cable is directional, so take care of it. We have a durable quality, withstand band test of 15,000 plus times without reducing the cable flexibility, and ensures the best performance possible. And we have a strong anti-interference system because of the 4K gold. Its plated connectors protects against corrosion, ensure maximized signal quality. And then it goes on, we can make it ultra HD in 4K and up to 8K. Wow, that's a lot. Multiple modes are available. This 8K HDMI cable can drive one or both monitors at the same time in different modes. And it's 8K ready. From the moment the cable is plugged in, the visual feed opens beyond the real world of 8K. Yeah. This all gives you the 8K fiber optical HDMI cable by FIBBR. It's on the market with 1 meter range or 3.3 feet, 2 meter 6.56 feet, in copper version 3 feet, 3 meter 9.84 feet, or 5 meter with 16.4 feet. Copper 6 feet is possible, 7.5 meter, 24 feet. Copper version 10 feet is possible. And this here is the 10 meter 33 feet version. And 50 meter on the market too. These are 49.2 feet. And 20 meter also on the market. This is a big range, 65.6 feet by FIBBR. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.